Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles at home easily. First, gather your simple ingredients such as fresh or frozen fruit, your favorite juice, and any optional sweeteners like honey or agave. Next, prepare your popsicle molds and ensure you have enough sticks ready. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable popsicle making experience. Now it's time to blend your ingredients. Combine your chosen fruits, juice, and sweetener in a blender. You can blend until completely smooth for a uniform texture, or leave small fruit pieces for a delightful chunky bite. Once blended, carefully pour the mixture into each popsicle mold, filling them almost to the top. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. The next step is freezing. Carefully transfer your filled popsicle molds to the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. Once frozen, you can easily remove them from the molds. If they stick, run the outside of the mold under warm water for a few seconds to loosen them. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade popsicles. These refreshing treats are perfect for any warm day. Feel free to experiment with various fruit combinations, like strawberry and banana or mango and lime, to discover your new favorite flavors. For those looking to sweeten their financial future, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.